downward position. Now you have to vary the duty cycle. They can easily show in your DSO the duty cycle is changing. Now switch in upward position. This is your frequency variable control. Now this is our output waveform. Showing in your DSO as per our manual. Make sure in class D and class E both are like frequency control and our duty cycle control showing in your result. This is our class D commutation method, and this is our output waveform in our manual is class D commutation method. Now we have to connect the circuit of your class A commutation method. Now first of all we have to connect the DC power supply. And now we have to the firing selection switching mode in class A. This is your class A, technical class A, and switch 1 is 0 position and switch 2 is also 0 position. Now we have to connect the gate pulses G1 to G1, K1 to K1, G2 to G2, and K2 to K2. And now you have to connect the capacitor from C1A to C1A, C1B to C1B, C2B, and C2A to C2A. Now we have to connect the inductor, and this is our load. Now we have to connect the inductor first of all from 101, 1, 0, and also is 1. Now we have to connect the resistive load in this position R1A to R1A, R1B to R1B. Now we have to connect our DSO probe from ground to ground and positive to positive. Now we have to connect the all connections, and now we have to switch on the power supply, and this is our waveform, output waveform. In class A commutation method only vary the frequency. Now we have to vary the frequency, usually show in your DSO. This is your output waveform as per your manual. This is our class A commutation method output waveform. Now we have to vary frequency control potentiometer, and the output waveform is vary. This is our frequency. This is our output waveform of class A commutation method. Like as your as your manual. Now sir, we have to connect the class F commutation method. This is a normal commutation method. In this method we have to connect only register load, because all like as your 20 volt AC is internally connected, and SCR also is internal connected. Now we have to connect the connection as your class F commutation method. Now we have to connect only R1 to R1A and R1B to R1B, and now we have to connect the DSO probe on your input and in ground position. Now this is our variable potentiometer at a minimum position. Now we have to switch on the power supply and vary the variable potentiometer and easily show in your DSO. This is our output waveform. Now we have to vary the variable potentiometer VR1, the output waveform as per as your manual. This is our class F commutation method. Now we have to experiment all commutation method, and we have to performing all commutation method through your connection diagram. That's it.